Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the Sony A7III so the reset goes cleanly. Power the camera on, confirm battery level and back up any custom profiles to the SD card or note them down. This preserves exposure, button assignments, and picture profiles. Once done, press Menu, then use the control wheel to reach the Setup, Toolbox, tab. This is where reset options live. Make sure you're in a calm area to avoid accidental button presses. You're about to change stored settings, so proceed deliberately. Now you'll perform the actual selection. From the Setup tab, scroll to Setting, Reset to restore camera parameters like exposure, autofocus, and custom buttons. This undoes user changes while preserving images. If you need a deeper wipe, choose Initialize, which returns everything to factory including network and some saved data. You must confirm twice. The camera will prompt you to accept the action. Do that only if your backup is complete, and note that Initialize is irreversible without that backup. Finish by restarting the camera so defaults apply cleanly. Power off, wait a few seconds, then power back on and verify menus and custom buttons match defaults. If you backed up settings, re-import them from the memory card or re-enter key values manually. If something behaves oddly after reset, buttons unresponsive or menu stuck, remove the battery for 30 seconds, reinsert and repeat the setting reset. Make sure firmware is current. Outdated firmware can cause persistent behavior that a settings
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.